Alright, here's some kind of Stanley. Whatever that is. Alrighty, and I moved those tools for a moment. Okay, let's see what Stanley's got in store for us. I haven't actually taken the keys out of this. Perhaps I will someday. You know what? This might be metric. I think it might be metric. Let's try 3mm. It's not 3mm. Let's try 2.5mm. That might be it. It's Loctite in there. Wonder if I need to bust out the keys for this. Okay, there we go. And just bust out some of this stuff. Okay. big old sprinkling, and another little hex doodle down there. Little tiny one. So I need this 2.5. Is that a 2? Way down there. Seems like it's about a 2. Having a hard time with that. So let's bust it out. Keep this two-handy. Oop. It's alright. Oh, who's this guy? I don't know where you came from. You came from somewhere. Alright, some anti-drill business. Let's move this guy over here. And hello, core. Kick. This is a pretty beefy padlock. It wasn't a bad price either. So that's something. Oop, looks like some kind of anti-bypass wafer. Use the CLK Supplies mullet here. No, we won't. That's similar design, but a different size. So then we're just gonna what's a tight fit in there? I'm impressed with your core, Stanley. Or it's just janky. That's a pretty tight fit. Six. Six pretty standard pins. Won't be putting anything special about that in my diary. Dear diary. 6 standard key pins. See, this doesn't sound right. Looks like you could slip that off. Low probability. Whoa, of cutting. Yeah, okay, all right, that's interesting. That's a sort of double serrated guy there. Not quite serrated, not quite a spool, bit of a hybrid. Oh, it's one of these guys. I don't even remember what they're called, but they're the feedback is a little confusing on those. And do we have a different length of spring? It looks like a different kind of spring. Interesting choice. Standard pin. I'm pretty sure I had to pick that one up first. Copper spring. Standard pin. Copper spring. Standard pin. Copper spring. We have a copper spring. And some kind of one single serration and a copper spring. So it's interesting. So we have a 6-pin core, 3 security pins, some that are sort of a hybrid, not quite a spool, not quite a serration, and then one of these kind of reverse spools, as barrel-like pins, but not quite like an ASA barrel where you would have little tips coming off of there to catch in some warding. These are just sneaky little guys to trick you into thinking it's picked when it's not. Oops, let's get out the old LPU pick. Okay, so standard key pins, and then these 3 security pins, 6 pins in total, and 1 inexplicable steel spring. Not sure why. See, there it is. So something I didn't notice until reassembling this lock is there's some kind of milling or something. Just thread or milling or something like that. I'm not sure how much that really influences picking, but I thought I'd mention that the plug does have some modification to it as far as I can tell.